In Affinity Photo version 2.1, create a gradient using the gradient tool to that layer. Then go to the layer menu and down to new pattern layer from selection. Once you've done that, you've got a pattern layer and you can resize this. What you can also do is go to the top left and select mirror. So turn that on and now you've got a mirrored pattern design. You can then use Deform. So filters, distort and deform. With that, you can add some pins. Just click anywhere and drag and distort, and you see what happens. Creates a distortion to that layer. Click apply. Once you've done that, hold down the Alt Option key and duplicate that layer. Create 3 or 4 copies. So just drag and drag different directions and release. Remove the pixel layer. So just get rid of that. Just select the first pattern layer and the last and hold the Shift key down to select them all. Hold the Shift key and plus. And then repeat that. And as you do that, you'll see different pattern designs all the way through. And that one. If you go back and you think, oh, that one looks better, do minus key. I'm going to go with that one. That's using exclusion. Go to the layer menu and use merge visible. Merge selected seems to always result in a slightly different design. You can now repeat the mirrored pattern. So go to layer, new pattern layer from selection, and then resize and again click mirror. And now you've got this wonderful pattern design which you can distort and change in multiple ways.